J'ai une question pour toi. Ta job, félicitations.
Oui.
By the way, la photo que j'ai prise, c'était tout le monde.
Oui, c'était toutes mes frères et mes sœurs.
C'est ça, j'ai mis la photo. I'll send it to you.
Yeah.
You're going to listen to New Brunswickers Concern, right?
Yes, of course.
What about the pension, the $6 million raise in the pension? Can people complain to you about that? Or?
No. You know, pension is another end. We had a private person that has made recommendation, and they're in effect now. It's not.
But the way it was done, the Brunswickers are upset. Can they go to you and say that they don't agree, something like that?
I think it's anybody can do. You know, pensioners have a right to do exactly what they want. New Brunswickers have a right to do what they want, and. You know, I think we're very clear, and it's been studied now, and it's being looked at, and we have a committee from the Legislative Assembly looking at it, and that's all I have to say.
We're not going to question you more on that. So are you happy to return to the cabinet?
I am very happy to return to cabinet.
Beside the high salary, you're very happy.
I'm very happy. I'm very happy to return to the cabinet because I think I can do a lot for my riding, for all New Brunswickers, and so on.
I meant to ask you, Bernard, I met you about 10, 15 years ago.
Yeah.
You were concerned about the causeway in Merriman-Cook.
Yes.
Remember?
Yeah.
Now, causeway in Moncton open?
Yeah. Causeway in Moncton is very positive everywhere. I think the Petitcodiac River is a plus now. The tidal bore is bigger, and we're seeing all kinds of results. It's going to be a tourist attraction in the future.
Is the tidal bore higher?
It's a little higher. I'm telling you, a lot of people are saying this to me. They can't believe how much that river has come alive since the last day that it was open.
Is the causeway going to open in Merriman-Cook?
This is something that will be discussed at a later date. I think we have to make sure that the causeway in Moncton is fully open. There's a bridge there, and see what result of it. But from what we're seeing right now, it's very positive. People in the Merriman-Cook Valley, everywhere, and the environment, we're recognized as a province that's moving about and making sure that your environments are up there. And that's good.
Merci beaucoup, Bernard.
À la prochaine.